Okay guys, this is what I get once I wake up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is raining. This is what I got once I woke up. Look at that. This is fucking messed up. Once I wake up, this is fucked up. It just started too. And guys, right now, speaking of rain, there's a squirrel. Bye-bye, squirrely. There's another one. Damn, how many are there? There he is. He's on the car. You see him moving. Right now, Louisiana, Tennessee, no, not Nebraska. Yeah, Tennessee and Louisiana are getting tornadoes today. And this is what I got. That's all, guys. Subscribe or die.